Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. I had some queries if I teach the Kali Oracle cards because many people loved the way I do the predictions. I am bringing up a course of the Kali Oracle cards in the month of April, but it will have little more add-on benefits with the cards, so I shall be sharing the details very soon. But in case you are interested, then you can WhatsApp me to 917-623-1990 and I shall guide you all. So let's see what is in store today. Okay, the Bhairavi Yogini has come as the first card. So let's see what is the next card which is coming. Alright, Mantra Shakti. So two powerful combinations. Let's see what the cards predict. Okay. So now coming to the Bhairavi Yogini, she is the sixth goddess, the Bhairavi in the Dashamahavidya, and though she looks very terrifying, but I will tell you one thing, she is the one who will fulfill our heart's desires, but at the same time she also comes when there's a lot of ego within us and we are not ready to handle the energies within us. At times she comes, so maybe that's the reason why the Mantra Shakti has come, where we need to work on ourselves in terms of mantras, in terms of chantings, because sometimes when we listen to our inner guidance and then we set force to the energies around us, then what happens is we are able to achieve what we want and we will feel even empowered when it comes to healing someone, when it comes to healing ourselves. We will be able to handle issues in a more beautiful way. So maybe today what you can do is, I would say to chant the Kali mantra 108 times. Om, any of the Kali mantra, whatever you feel guided to. Sometimes what I just do is I just chant the Beej mantra of the Kali. Beej mantra of the Kali is easily available for you in YouTube, because and if you can then do that, or 21 times you can just say Jai Ma Kali and chant to her. Today I feel the color is supposed to be red because a lot of energies is needed for you. Some of you are really stuck whether to focus on yourself and take the decision the way you want, or focus on what is good for the whole world or for the whole family and then move forward. So listen to your inner voice and go as your inner voice takes you through, because that will be the best answer you will get. Don't have any fear inside you as to what is the next step. Just call on Kalima and she is always there to protect you. Jai Ma Kali.